Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Beowulf back again with another video. Man, woo! We got good news. We got good news. So I'm in the 2018 RXT-X 300. That's right. So the last couple times we've been having problems getting this thing get up to like 74, 75, 76. I think it's what, 75 that the Riva Racing Stage 1 kit says it does. So, woo, man, I'm telling you, I'm excited. I wanted to first make sure everything worked before I started the video on it. So, I talked with a couple different head people up there with Riva Racing, and what they recommended doing was checking the supercharged slippage. So I checked that myself. And then they said too is cleaning out the intercooler because it could be clogged with oil. The big thing is I don't think I started running a catch can until I was about like 25, 26 hours on the jet ski. And by running the catch can, you know, it keeps the oil going through there, go through the supercharger into the intercooler and clogging it. And it actually shows at the shop manual. It even says about there too about how you should clean out the intercooler if you're having problems at top end RPM. And the big thing before is the thing wasn't hitting 8,000 RPM. It was a little shy from it to get that extra couple miles per hour it was needing. It wasn't staying consistent. And it actually, if you look back some other videos too, the exhaust didn't sound as loud as it does now. You'd have it where it bellow, where you hear it be like loud and then quiet down. It's staying at a nice rumble all the time now, which I noticed too. Because I got the Riva Racing, the water box and a free flow exhaust. So I actually can tell a difference now with that. Besides, I cleaned out the intercooler. Now, in the shop manual it says to run water through it. Now, the one guy with Riva Racing said is to put some gasoline in it, let it sit, stir it around, and build up the grime with the oil build up there. So I did that, and actually what I went out is I went to the store and bought like ethanol-free gas that would be used for your lawnmower, or in like any type of thing, you know, like they had like I think it was like a couple gallon jug. So I got that, I dumped it all in there, let it sit in the intercooler for probably 30 minutes. I didn't want to leave it in my garage with that much fuel in there. Then I dumped it out back into the container that I bought it with. And then I spent the last couple of days just rinsing out the intercooler and letting it sit overnight. I let it sit overnight for having the water filled all the way up in it. So I was like, oh man, please say this works, because you know I checked the supercharged slippage, that was fine, and then you can just tell I'm excited. So getting cool things. So then I got the whatever could have been built up. It wasn't a lot of oil there, but I mean it could make a difference with the fins with the intercooler. So I come out and run it. What do you think it's running? Well, you guys will just have to wait to see, but I'll tell you right now, I'm happy it's working, and it's at 8,000 RPM like it's supposed to. So here we fixed the problem, and the thing sounds a lot better than it did before. Now the other really cool thing that I really appreciate from my subscribers, man, we hit a big milestone. I just hit 1,000 subscribers a couple days ago, and I tell you, I really appreciate everybody, you know, subscribing to the channel, enjoying what the content I'm putting together. So I'm going to be doing a lot more, and you know, like, let's be the next step is hit 10,000 subscribers, and we go from 10,000 to 50,000. We go 50,000 to 100,000, and man, if I hit 100,000, whew, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's going to be crazy. Now, how this? Let's make a deal right now. If I hit you guys all know I'm terrified of great white sharks, right? If I hit 100,000 subscribers, what I'll do on that video once I hit 100,000, no matter what time of year it is, I'll make it happen. I will go to the West Coast and I will go in a shark cage with great white sharks, and I'll face my fear, and we'll do that at 100,000 subscribers. What do you guys think? I promise I'll come through with it. So that's what the plan is. Now, you guys have been hearing me talking a lot, and I'm excited. So let's get this thing going. Right now, I'm going in the direction of the river, so it's not going to hit like the top of top speed because we're fighting current right now. So I went down this way, and we're going to go back the opposite way current, and then we're going to see this thing run. So let's get it going. really appreciate, you know, it's you guys as subscribers what build this channel getting bigger. I really appreciate it. And also too, big shout out to Riva Racing, because like, woo, they were a big help getting this thing all working. I knew their stuff's great. There's nothing better than their product. You should guys give them a call. They'll hook you guys up. Whatever jet ski you got, you want to make it faster and or cooler. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.